Salve. Universe in disenchantment. Read it and you will see the path of love and serenity. Just open up your mind, the truth you're gonna find. Let it shine inside, guide yourself into this light. Page by page, take control. The rational will shine in your soul. Make yourself glow. Let the knowledge flow. Allow yourself to restart with the knowledge in your heart. It's a spark. Quit living in the dark. Rise above the stormy sea to live in peace and harmony. Leave behind the pain. Break the enchanted chain. The truth will set you free. Life is to be lived eternally. Make yourself glow. Rational energy, your frequency will rise to see eternity by your eyes. Understand this life, move yourself so right, then you will break this wall. The rational light will guide us all. Make yourself glow. Let the knowledge